If you are looking for a simple and effective way to revise important physiology concepts, take a look at this complete Physiology Mind Maps PDF. As you can see on your screen, I am opening the PDF and showing you the actual pages as proof, so you can see exactly what is included before downloading it. This collection contains 233 pages of medical physiology mind maps, covering important systems and clinical topics such as the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, gastrointestinal system, renal system, endocrine system, haematology, infectious diseases, immune system, neurology, musculoskeletal system, reproductive system, embryology, genetic disorders, and many other important conditions. Mind maps are especially useful when you are revising a subject that you have already studied. Instead of going through lengthy chapters again and again, you can use these visual summaries to quickly recall important concepts, connect related information, and revise an entire system in less time. I am showing you the PDF page by page so you can get a clear idea of the quality, structure, and content of the material. If you are preparing for medical examinations, revising physiology, or simply want a useful resource for quick revision, this collection can save you a lot of time. You can download the complete 233-page Physiology Mind Maps PDF from the link given in the description. Just click on the download link, open the link, enter your name, mobile number, and email. Click on Make Payment and complete the payment using UPI or card. After successful payment, the PDF will be available through your email or library. So don't just watch the preview and leave it here. If you find this material useful, download the complete PDF and keep it with you for your revision. And if you know another medical student who could benefit from this resource, share this video with them. A small share can help someone find useful study material at the right time. God always helps those who help others. So share the video, help another student, and keep learning. Download the complete Physiology Mind Maps PDF from the link in the description and make your revision faster, more organized, and more effective.